Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am gonna recover all the information that you need to know about orchids. Okay, so first I wanted to start from the placement. So comes to the orchid, sunlight is very important, especially if you want them to bloom often. So I totally recommend them to place in east or west facing window. That is the best place to keep your plant so that they can have this morning sunlight or evening sunlight, and in the during the day they will get enough brightness. That is the best for you. But if you place them in the south facing window, then it is too much sun. The both leaf and flower can damage easily, and you will start to notice that your leaves are started to get yellow and they started to like fluffy. Okay, and the flower, they gonna lose color quickly. But again, if you keep them in like a north facing window, they will not get enough sun, so it will take forever to bloom. So next, choosing pot. Okay, so comes to the orchid, they always have this special pots. For example, I can show you here. Every time I water them, all the water is collect down there. Okay, so that, which is really good, that the root is not sitting in the water. This is the purpose that they use this kind of special pots for the orchid. And as you can see here, I decorate my plants with this vase, so that I totally recommend to use this kind of like wide up here and narrow down here, as you can see, so that your plant's gonna be end up here, and all the water gonna collect down here. All right, so that your plant is gonna be in good condition. The water, the root is never gonna have chance to touch with the water. This is how it's supposed to be. Watering, comes to the watering, I would say I water them once a week in the summer and once in 2 to 3 weeks in the winter. They don't really need lots of water. But when you water them, one thing you have to be careful is all the excess water completely out. Okay, that is very important. You should never ever let your plants sit in the water. Next, another thing you have to be careful is crown rot, which means when you water them, if you water them from above, some of the water is going to end up between the leaf. It is called crown rot. So that when all the water is sitting here for long and the leaf started to rot. So if it is so, you can use some kind of tissue paper or cloth to dry it out. Okay, this is very important. Another method that you can water your orchid is not watering from above, water from down. For example, this I grow them in the vase so that I cannot use that method. But if you grow in the like plastic pot like this, then what you can do is bring a bucket and fill the water and put your plant just like this for about 15 minutes. Okay, and let them soak all the water. And after that, you just leave it in some place and let all the excess water completely out and put it back into the pot. Okay, this is another method of watering your plants. All right, and next I want to talk about fertilizing. I use this kind of stick fertilizer. In my opinion, this is really a great fertilizer for your orchid. And I just use them only one stick for each plant, and I just dip it in, put it in the pot just near the plant, and I change them every 3 months. Finally, I want to talk about after bloom. Okay, so what you can do is after bloom, for example, this plant, I have this plant. So if you see closer here, there is a one stem and there is another stem. There is two stem in this pot. I noticed that some of the people, they just like to leave it, the stem just, like that. But in my opinion, I like to cut them. When you cut the old stem, seems like this new stem appear faster, they bloom faster. And when you cut it, I recommend to cut from the above 3 node. So here one node, here one node, and here one node. So I cut a few centimeter above the node, and the new stem is coming from right here. Both of them is like that. So I recommend them to cut it after bloom. Cut the stem, just don't leave it like that, so that you will get flower faster. Pretty much all for today. And if you want to know anything about orchid, please let me know and leave the comment down below. And next time I want to show you how I managed to decorate this beautiful driftwood. It's called driftwood. I picked them in the river near our house. There is a lot of beautiful driftwood. This one, look at here, is beautiful character, isn't it? So yes, I want to show you how I decorate them. And as always, thank you for watching, and I hope you all doing great, and see you next time. Bye bye.